Hi students, in this video I will explain about one of the important named reaction that is known as Williamson's synthesis. Here what is the concept is involved in this Williamson synthesis. Now let us learn about that. Here when alkyl halides are heated with sodium or salt of alcohols in alcoholic medium, the ethers are going to formed. Means we are going to preparing ethers by using of alkyl halides. It must be treated with the sodium or salt of alcohols. So now let us learn about what is the reaction is involved in this Williamson synthesis. So general reaction I am going to taking here RONA. It must be treated with the alkyl halide. So for my convenience purpose I am going to representing here R dash, because here we are going to taking as a sodium solution of reactant. It must be taken in the formation of alcoholic solution. So here this alcoholic solution of sodium, it must be treated with the alkyl halide. What is the product we will get here? Now you should understand that here RONA and it must be treated with the R dash X. So what it will be get eliminated means this sodium, it must be treated with the halogen. It is eliminated in the formation of sodium halide. So what is the main product we are going to obtaining here? R dash plus there is a elimination of sodium halides. So what we should understand here, then in this case of Williamson synthesis we are going to prepare the ethers, so that whenever we have obtained ethers there is elimination of sodium halides. So this is the general reaction is involved in this case of Williamson's synthesis. Now let us take some examples for understanding of this Williamson synthesis. Now let us learn about that. See here, let us take one example here. When ethyl bromide is heated with the alcoholic solution of sodium ethoxide, the product we will get here diethyl ether. So here we are going to taking alkyl halide in the place of alkyl halide. We are going to taking here ethyl bromide. In this case of alcoholic solution of sodium, it is taken as a one sodium ethoxide. So the product we will get here diethyl ether. Now we should understand by taking of this reaction. See here, this is sodium ethoxide. It must be treated with the case of ethyl bromide. The product what we will get here diethyl ether. See here, the elimination of a product, we have already known that sodium halide. So NaBr it is going to eliminate it. Then what it will be left in this case of reaction, that is C2H5O, then remaining another C2H5. So this is known as diethyl ether, because two ethyl groups are going to presence, and here the functional group it is called as one ethers. So this product name is known as diethyl ether and elimination of sodium bromide. So this is one of the important reaction. Just you should remember that this reaction takes place by SN2 mechanism. Since the nucleophilic attack takes place on the alkyl halide, the alkyl halide used should preferably be primary, but the alkoxide ion can have the tertiary group. So just you should remember that this type of Williamson synthesis, it is going to followed by SN2 mechanism. So this is one example we have used. Similarly we can take another example. See here, we are going to taking another example here for the preparation of tertiary butyl ethyl ether. We are going to taking here ethyl chloride and sodium salt of tertiary butyl alcohol. So here the product we are going to obtaining as known as one tertiary butyl ether. Here whatever the tertiary butyl alcohol is taken and not to be a vice versa. So now we should take the preparation of tertiary butyl ethyl ether by using of ethyl chloride and sodium salt of tertiary butyl alcohol. What is the product we will get here? Now let us learn about that. Means here we can see here, this is known as a sodium salt of tertiary butyl alcohol, because we are taking here Na and here there is a formation of tertiary nature, that is tertiary butyl, because there is a presence of 4 carbon atoms. So we should write butyl, and here tertiary in the sense the carbon atom, it is consisted the case of 3 carbon atoms association. So this name is known as tertiary butyl compound. It must be obtained from a alcohol, that too salt of a sodium. So this name, its name it is given as one sodium salt of tertiary butyl alcohol. It must be treated with the ethyl chloride. As in similar case, in earlier example we have already known that there is a elimination of sodium and halogen. It is in the formation of an halides. So what we will get here, there is elimination of NaCl. Then the product what we will get here, CH3, CH3, CH3. Then here there is a presence of O, and remaining what it will be left here, CH2, CH3. So here what we are going to obtaining as one here, tertiary butyl ether. So here tertiary butyl ether we have going to obtaining as a product, and there is elimination of sodium halide, that is in the formation of sodium chloride. So this is about the one of the important example for tertiary butyl ethyl ether, how we are going to preparing by taking of sodium salt of tertiary butyl alcohol. So this is about the Williamson's synthesis. It is also very important name reaction. If you have any doubts, please comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.